Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If there's one company that you guys seem to like me looking at the most here, it is Tesla. Every single time I make a Tesla video, it seems to get a lot of views. When we have a look at Tesla, we can see a very interesting trend. Over the past 6 months, we are down more than 50%. However, in the past 5 days, we've seen a very significant green trend, up 22%, with the past day alone being up nearly 12%. You wouldn't be mistaken for wondering if this could be the bottom for Tesla. The question might be, is this stock going back up? Well, I can't tell you that with any degree of certainty. I am not a financial advisor, and I certainly don't have a crystal ball. But what I can do is share with you some of the latest news regarding Tesla and give you guys an update. I know there's a lot of negativity going on around Tesla at the minute. There's a lot of questions above tariffs, how that might impact profitability. Amidst a time where people are essentially boycotting Tesla at mass, people are not happy with the policies of Trump and Musk, people are selling their Tesla cars at massive rates. We've seen Tesla sales down massively in Australia, down massively in Germany, more than 70% in both cases. Across Europe as a whole, it's down something like 40%. It is kind of crazy to see such dips in price. But then again, we are down more than 50% since December 2024, and you might be asking, is this potentially the bottom? So whilst we have all of these potentially negative things to speak about, we could speak about the negative factors influencing the share price, let's talk about something a bit more positive. Let's speak about how retail investors seem to be very interested in Tesla in the current market. So this article speaks about how a lot of retail investors are buying Tesla, with it surging more than 10% this morning, fueled by money from retail investors on President Trump, White House officials, and Elon Musk pumping the stock apparently. It's sending Tesla's price to earnings ratio back to record highs, which Musk warned could lead to the stock crashing, like a souffle being smashed by a sledgehammer. Now, it was actually JP Morgan that said that the data is showing that retail traders are pouring into Tesla stock, with 7.3 billion flowing into it over the last 2 weeks. And this comes again after that 50% decline. It first started when President Trump was holding a Tesla infomercial at the White House, which you guys might remember. Then the US Secretary of Commerce recommended buying Tesla's stock in a TV interview, something government ethics and experts say broke the law. Finally, CEO Elon Musk held a public hands meeting at Tesla for the first time last week. During the meeting, Musk said, hang on to their Tesla stock. We've heard about that as well. Elon Musk essentially saying that people should or could or might want to hold on to their Tesla stock, but the reality is a lot of people haven't. A lot of people have, a lot of people have been interested in buying more, but a lot of people also want to sell. This morning, the surge resulted in Tesla's price to earnings ratio surging back to 133, based on Tesla's current earnings, which Wall Street is now expecting to be cut in half this quarter, as the automaker's deliveries are crashing, as we just spoke about. Now again, the question is, where do we go from here? Because apparently the last time that Tesla traded at these levels, Musk warned employees that the stock would get crushed like a souffle being smashed by a sledgehammer if it didn't show profit growth. Now here's where things get really interesting, because is it likely in the next upcoming financial results that we're going to see Tesla showing profit growth? Well, I'm sure you guys can make your mind up on that. When Tesla's share price is starting to come up, but sales are continuing to decline. So it's interesting because we did actually hear Elon Musk, as it says here, implying that people should hold on to their Tesla stock for the near future. But when we look at the prior opinions of what he said, it kind of speaks for itself. Tesla's stock is up big, but the Cybertruck has been recalled. We are seeing people still not buying Teslas en masse, perhaps demonstrating against them in some cases. I'm not here to tell you guys what to do, it's your own mind. I'm just reporting on some of the news. It does seem to be worrying. It does seem to be questionable as to where Tesla is going to go next. It's very, very hard to say. And again, looking at the share price is perhaps a different story. But on a fundamental level, there are still a lot of question marks hanging over this company. I'll give you guys some updates in the next couple of days regarding what comes out, regarding what we find. But thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you soon.